this amazing bird, a crane, you know, he follow us when we walk. Look, I'm walking and he's walking. If I stop, he stops. Okay, I will stop now. Okay, you stop it. It's a very clever bird. Wow, come on, let's walk. He's following us the same pace. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, I stop. Come on, let's go walk to the other side then. Okay. Wow, that's very funny. He's a very clever bird. That's in Birmingham Zoo. We stop it. Come on, let's walk to the other side. Okay, I will stop in the middle now. Okay, he stop it. I will walk. He walks. I would love to have this bird as a pet.
Oh no.
Okay, I stop. He stop. Let's walk to the other side again. Come on. Okay. I stop. He stops.
Wow.
Okay, let's walk again. I stop. He stops. Wow, you're beautiful.
Oh, no.
Come on, let's walk again, other side. He walks. Wow, very clever bird.
There's a white napped crane.
Come on. Okay, okay. I stop. You're amazing. I would love to have you as a pet. Yes.
No. Oh, he wants to come towards us.
And he wants to come towards us?
Oh,
Wow.
how cute.
Okay, I will have to end the video.
Bye bye, crane.
Bye bye, crane. Oh.